I just brought Edward home. He's a little hesitant to come out of the cat carrier. There he goes. This is your new home. Look around, run around, do whatever you want, except scratch stuff. Well, it's been a couple hours now. He's still going around the house. Every now and then he plops down for me to pet him. I caught him once on the countertop and once on the piano. And for a while he disappeared and he was underneath the bed, resting or taking a nap or something. I heard him meow once. There he goes, plop around. Edward, do you know your name? Yep, something's got his attention. Yes, you're a cutie. Oh, you're a mush. That's it. We're playing mush now. Ah, don't hit the camera, you silly kitty. And he's off.